I am here vibing with one of the soldiers from the Black Scorpio camp. His parents named him Barrington King, but we know him as
Barry back.
Father Barry. All is well, sir?
Yeah, man. Glad
Give
to have
thanks,
you.
man. It's a joy, man. It's
Yes,
a joy,
teach
brother,
them.
man. Give thanks, man.
Every
Blessings,
time, teach them, yeah. I am the cream of the crop, I am the cream of the crop, I am the cream of the crop, I am the cream of the crop. Me tall, me no white, me no brown, me black, me tall, me no white, me no brown, me black is I'm the DJ, General back and I really live from over the truck. General teacher and into the class, me test, me know, me pass and this DJ not here on class. Come me get your learn for knock, you get lit down by that spot. In the seat, some this is fat, no eat that, net kind of market and everything but General Zach, and see, and some like that, me tall, me say, me ride with him. This DJ soon can I be clean. I'm come back, it's not my living, enough go check, not enough to me sit down on the out there.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Yes, DJ. Say all is well.
All is well, man, all is well.
Give thanks, man. Talk to us, though. Early life. Place of birth.
Born 1959, born in Glengorf, Asti District. Mother, Estrina Jones, father, Vernal King. Go to Glengorf Secondary, and afterward,
So which school you go for Glengorf Secondary, but my just born and got Glengorf Secondary.
month I go a primary up in a place named Top Road, Top Road, and
Tell them place.
you know, those school, you know. Many little private schools, but all of them were just the last one was just
Okay.
Top Road, you know.
Yes. So
Yeah.
you attended Glengorf, it was Glengorf Secondary.
Yeah, then Glengorf Primary, then Glengorf
Secondary.
Secondary.
Yeah, how many brothers and sisters?
4 brothers and 2 sisters.
Yeah, they're still alive.
All of them alive.
It's a blessing that man. It's a blessing that man. The old man and old lady still with us.
No, they are past.
The past.
Yeah,
My
past.
condolences.
Yeah.
What was it like growing up though in Glengorf back then, financially speaking?
Well, my parents usually look load, and they go Kingston to sell. They leave like a Thursday, and sometimes they come back like Saturday evening. So I couldn't get to go school Friday.
So Barry Bakker now is known in the space as, you know, DJ around Black Scorpio and recording artist as well. When the musical vibration start pick at your door?
Yeah, well, the music vibration, then I start Scorpio, go to Scorpio from 1984.
So Scorpio was your first sound system experience, first musical experience?
No, Rock On it from Gregor Park.
You were in Rock On, so you left Glengorf and go Portmore?
Yeah, we live in Gregor Park.
You lived in Gregor Park?
Yeah.
That's after school?
Yeah, after school.
And then you were working around Rock On?
Rock On it.
So
When like working, I mean like...
Passing through?
Yeah, passing through with more big artists. You know, past Captain Barkey.
Junior Frost was there.
Junior
Dignitary
Frost.
Stylish?
Dignitary Stylish. You know, and I do it near Stabber. I won't leave out his name. Stabber, yeah.
Oh, okay. So Rock On was it? But even before you reach Rock On though, Barry, what was that musical thing there where, you know, leaded to that?
Well, that musical thing lead me to that still is Sassafras.
Lord Sassafras.
Yeah, Sassafras. Because we usually wrote down by the track and he usually come with some lyrics and say, "Buy back, come on, get a pen and paper. Go get a pen and paper," and we start to write. And the first song we write with a song named Raiding Party.
Raiding Party.
Yeah, so I was so interested that I have all the record them selling, because Sassafras give me the records to sell.
So you guys wrote the song, Sassa voiced the song,
Yeah.
and you were the one
selling it for him, yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so we just enjoy music, and I always have ideas. So when he was leaving now, he take me to Black Scorpio Sound.
That's when he was migrating to the States.
He was in migrating, so that's in 1984.
84.
You see?
Yeah, what were you doing around by track though?
I was a assistant down there, like I service the truck, the tractors,
Okay.
And the trucks them that run on the racetrack. And Sasa Fast was working on the starting gate. And
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you know?
We never do that still.
Yeah, so
Oh, so I saw the link neck.
yeah, so when the horse gonna fly, the gate them he work there, you know, so then he's an electrician down there. So you know, so we get to meet one another, and in fact that's I love music so much that's we never leave our one another till when he fly out of his number we call said we when he back in Jamaica.
Yeah.
We link up.
So even before linking with Sasado and going around Rock Horn, which were the musical, who were the entertainers that, you know, you listen to and say, yo, you know, me like that something and I probably, you know, want to do that one day? Who were your musical influences at the time?
At those time, we was listening to like Rankin, Slackness, those type of artists we was listening to, and Nicodemus, we was listening to, you know. It's a father jungle rock. It's a father jungle rock. So I would listen to Nicodemus and many more of the artists. But Nicodemus was the artist I usually listen, you know, just like now. Look what's going on, I'm still love Bounty Killer.
Bounty DJ.
Right now, the punch that he have is what I love to hear, the liver. But Beanie Man now and Ninja Man, his stage appearance. I love the stage appearance. So you have to call it Bounty Killer and Ninja Man is my two artists, you know. But when it comes to lyrics now, it was like, I listen to General Cheese going, you know, but he was also a bad artist. So if you if you're doing bad, from those time, you can't bad again. You see?
All right, so hold it to say now. So now you say, round a track, Sassafras link up, Rock Horny, and thing. Eventually now, Sasa brought you to Black Scorpio.
Yeah.
And when you went to Black Scorpio, who were the people around there?
You'd have Mikey Melody.
Mikey.
Pass, Shuka Shine.
Shuka Shine.
Yeah. Sassafras.
Color Chin.
And Color Chin. You know, he come and see me. Color Chin come and see me now. But who we usually say is
Culturally?
Lady G.
Oh, Lady G.
Right? I have to mention Lady G first, then culturally, Daddy Mickey, Little Mickey.
Oh, Daddy Mickey and Little Mickey was around there at the time as well.
Yeah.
City Pre.
Yeah.
So when you go around there though, as apprentice, you say Color Chin come see you there.
Yeah.
But you went around there as apprentice, them time there Sasa was leaving.
Yeah, but
so
he go and come.
Go and come. So General Cheese was the man at the time.
Yeah, the man. The man.
Man.
Yeah.
What was it like though, falling into a big camp now because them time there Scorpio a big sound.
Yes, so that was used. I'm an early pace setter.
Early pace setter.
Early pace setter. So like I DJ till like 1 o'clock. Then when Cheese come, they take up from there. Sometimes about 5 more lyrics leave because sometimes when they come, either Scorpio himself one day if it's a Josie Wheeler or this pass or that pass.
But I hold it
But I may hold it till them come. You know? So I usually make a fan base with the people them. So when Scorpio play back anywhere, I have some because sometimes usually come anywhere they come from. I'm a fans them. So I was getting forward.
Yeah, man.
You know, because even the set tune is the set tune I have now where you usually mash it up from those times.
It's true,
I tune them cream of the crop.
Run it, man.
I am the cream of the crop, I am the cream of the crop, I am the cream of the crop, I am the cream of the crop. Me tall, me no whiter, me no browner, me blacker, me tall, me no white, me no brown, me black is I'm the DJ, Jenna back and I really live from over the track. Jenna teacher and into the fast, me test, me know, me pass and this DJ not here on class. Come me get your learn for knock, you get lit down by that next spot. In the seat, some this is fat, no eat that next kind of a kitchen. Everything but Jenna, Zaka, Shins and see, and some like that, me tall, me say, me ride with him. This DJ soon can I Brooklyn, I'm gonna come back. It's not my living enough go check now enough to me sit down on the out there. So it was just clapping it and right now that is the said song.
You walk on with?
I walk on a stage with it.
Oh yeah? Cream of the crop.
Cream of the crop.
You actually recorded that song and it's a stage show lyrics.
This is stage service because I get good advice from people and even some big people in my camp say, so let's leave it as a starter.
Yeah, but you said that though, that you really and truly started to get into the music when you link up with Sasa and when you run Rock Horny. But then you were writing from early, and I write one song named Give Girl Money from your young.
No, that
No?
song, I don't know it getting it, but that song right when I was over by the truck.
Oh, over by the truck, you write the song.
Over the truck, I write that
Give
song.
Girl Money.
Give Girl Money. And then the girls, them, they love it, and the
girl-
man, them
the-
don't love
the
it.
girls seems like the girl-
The man, them never love
The
it. Say,
man, they never
I'm
love
blocking
it.
the girls, them bad. You see?
Eventually, you recorded that song.
Yeah, and Jack Scorpio.
Was that your first official recording?
First original recording.
But some could talk about some of my Scorpio journey before we talk about the recording part of the thing. Big sound, big artist. So General Trees was head of the stable. You were one of the apprentice in the thing.
Peer setter, they
Peer
call
setter.
me. Yeah.
Man like you and Mikey Melody.
Mikey Melody.
And
You
that
have
man there.
Culturally.
Culturally.
Mike, and you have Bobby Melody. Bobby
Melody.
Melody gone. You see? So it pass off.
You remember the first dance you're going to go work as a Scorpio DJ?
I think it's three-piece land in Newland.
Three-piece land. Portmore.
Newland in Britain. The time when I go there this time, I was so upset because I never named Barry back on the posters. My name was Barry Rock.
Oh, yeah?
And I was so upset to see. I go to a dance and I named Barry Rock. The next session, I was Barry Black.
Barry.
So
Barry Rock to Barry Black.
You know, so
the man them are change the videos.
sometimes the hang just stick, sometimes something does come serious. You know?
Yeah,
I was so
that's
glad to find Scorpio sound in because when I really find out what music was, I say yes, I'm gonna do music. You know, but I from all those time I was saying to myself, we wasn't talking about no money. We was talking about message in those times. So we used to the artists them who talk about a lot of slackness said and gun saying, but remember General Cheese wasn't an artist who talk slackness. He talk gimmicks. So we never planned that until when they buck up a story run. Stitchy and Captain Barky and Daddy Blue, you know, and Ricky Stereo. So when I go there, so I have to change the pace.
You have to change the pace. You say, what, you never did that think about money, but what were you being paid on Scorpio?
Well, we usually get a little fee on Scorpio. I remember a time when we was going to Negril to DJ. There was time me and Mickey them and Licky Mickey them, we were getting about $40 to DJ.
$40 per night?
$40 per night, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, $40, yeah. But we never was watching no money. We were just DJing, so sometimes we on the sound truck, me and Culturally, and when we reach, sometimes we black like a tar. The dust and the dirt and the this and the smoke from the truck, the muffler.
Black.
Black. You know, but we still going and love the music.
Yes.
So don't care what's going on, we still love the music. And then the 14 parish of Jamaica.
You go perform.
We perform. And we talk about Negril more than even for 30 times. Then General Cheese.
Want to go to Negril.
Yeah. Then General
That
Cheese.
makes sense. That
Then
makes sense.
General Cheese. Him now usually make me go with him some places. After a time when the pace start to change. Because one time it was like CD. And before CD was like a tape, like your tape, and you go sell it.
Oh, yes, you sell the cassette.
You sell the cassette in those time, and then sometimes Yellow Man is on the cassette, and they might buy it, General Cheese on the cassette, they buy it. But after time, the pace start to change to something like a melody and a sing J, S-I-N-G. J, sing J. So Culturally was the one. If I'm gonna talk about a teacher,
Culturally, the teacher.
Culturally is the teacher. I know is the teacher.
Culturally, they want to make you find melody and such.
Melody. You know?
Yeah, so back in the Scorpio days now, you guys were involved in some big clashes, man.
Oh my God, if you talk about clash now, then you talk about Papa San. You see? And then the General Trees, he stand up to anything.
Anything.
Anything. Not care who come. But the hunger artist who give a problem was Papa San.
Papa San.
Cause when I do my part sometime, you know,
Yeah.
sometimes she say, boy, you tease him too much in the Bible. You tease him, cause I have a song one time, anything me say, people say, he not the son. He not the son.
Yeah.
You want to do a little, he not the son. So when son come, he say, bye back. And me attack so. And that's it again.
So San was the man where would engage General Trees a run for your money.
Yeah, run for money, son. So if anybody come and say such and such and such, they are saying something wrong. Papa San was the man. So sometimes where Papa San bad, you know, a General Cheese alone have to take him on.
So no, I get no class.
So sometimes we not get no night because him so bad and then you know management no want to lose you know.
So they must about the big gun which
So I put a big gun and when she said, and she said, me all my mind and my soul. I did different. General Cheese, you did different. You know? So as I was talking about that, I was saying to myself, say, what a heart is bad. But General Cheese was a power gun. No, send anybody come. Anybody come, General, no afraid of nobody. You know? So we have to give thanks for the camp.
Trees was the man and creation with Papa San was the toughest opponent at the time.
Toughest. No guy couldn't pass General Cheese. Only Papa San could do those type of work. So we have many class. Every time creation and General Cheese was
Who win more? San or
no, listen.
Creation
Listen, he couldn't manage General Cheese. Because the concrete vice that General Cheese have.
Laba low.
Ba down. Winston Dalman, can't have me horse and you know. So Papa San was as I say, Cheese not lyricist. Cheese not afraid. If he want to talk anything he want to talk. The General Cheese always doing it different.
Yeah, so apart from San, was there anybody else where, you know, when you don't have them, you have to get yourself together?
Well, so remember, you know, if San, sometime we go to some session, we might have a super cat, we might book a Ninja Man and some of the DJ there. But I must say, Ninja Man is a more than he might give some more joke and super cat, but none of those are this guy.
Now Stitchy?
Well, I think with a one time remember a session with Stitchy somewhere down in Kencat. That time like I think we dropped a Skateland too. And Supercat was there also in Skateland. And that time Stitchy never come on it.
Oh, okay.
You know, he never come on it because you know Cheese bust before him.
Right,
But,
okay.
You know, and then Stitchy and you know, but Stitchy was alright, you know. Stitchy wasn't a guy who loved to take on people like San, you know. San is just a cutter, a warrior. See, then you find somebody may be saying was a teaser. Bonnie General.
Yeah.
He gotta hear this and get mad. Because he know that General Cheese is dangerous. He know. But Papa San was the man. And sometimes if they bought me out General Cheese, they take it up on me.
They beat up the trees. Yeah? Which other song never writing off on the day? Apart say we talk about San, but we never run up on a dance with some little man.
Yeah, man, bad sound. King Jammins. Bias.
With the whole world around there.
The whole world around them, you know, King Jammins. But where they give you some beating one of the time is like, some of the time, it's like without cheese.
When cheese not there.
You know, like a dub plate for dub plate. And,
Okay.
And if they hear they beat us, we'll go back and beat them. So if sometimes they say they beat Scorpio all over, that's not so.
A dub plate for dub plate.
Dub plate for dub plate.
But now when cheese about?
When cheese about is a walkover. It's just a walkover. You know, then the pace starts to change the one General Cheese is in like going to stereograph then. Right? So we'd have to up to some more little artists. But they wasn't so effective because Scorpio was turning now to a dub sound, and he can defend
Class
himself.
sound.
He can defend himself, you know. So when we find out that started up now, I'm start to voice in tune, voice in tune. So Dr. Caveman, you know, when we start to voice tune and then cash flow with DJ.
We're going to reach on this yet, man, because we're going to talk about Gig Girl Money. So that was the first recording that you did.
Gig Girl
Money.
Yeah.
And you did that for Scorpio.
Yeah, for Scorpio.
The follow-up song to that was what? Horseman Attack?
Horseman Attack and the Black Scorpio label.
Scorpio again.
And then I go for a tune named
Music Tonight.
Music Tonight. And then you find a song, Everton Blender, General Cheese, and Barback. Mr. Want It All. Mr. Want It All. So from right there to now, I'm start feeling more confident. More and more confident.
After the collaboration with Blender and Cheese.
Yes, confident than in them time. But don't make me, I have to go back and say about General Cheese. In those times, it was like a cassette. Then it would turn to like records. So General Cheese now was doing most of the voicing, you see? And then culturally start to show me some things again, and then me start to voice melody. So me voice a tune named Missing You So. If you notice, I sing that song done by Merciless Funeral. I want to know why good people have to die. That is the first like a melody song I sing. You know, that song like I say, I want to know why good people have to die. I say, woy, 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 Lord, Lord. I say, woy, 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 Lord, Lord. Weeping and wailing, loved ones and families weeping. A good souls are hearts falling. You know, those type of songs.
And from in the 80s, 90s,
yes,
you recorded that song?
Yeah, I do it.
Who you recorded the song for?
I do it for, his name is Sherman.
Sherman?
Sherman in Crossroad.
Okay.
You know, I do that song, and that song was video.
Oh, cool.
Video, you know. So I'm starting to find more confident, and people start to say, I'm finding the melody or to do a song. So no one have to be biased and say such and such like you learned something one time. It was a learning thing. And when a artist have hit songs, it's not easy to go on some of the platforms and do what you want to do. Because if you book a Papa Stan and say you book some more artists, I've mentioned Peter Metro, you book up and Ninja Man, you book up Josie Whale, you know, Sasa Frost, you know the mic not going to run.
So you say back in the days when all of them man they pile up and dance, it's hard for your barback get the mic.
It's hard. I remember one time in Gemini Club when you have King Yellowman, Papa Stan and most of them, and the only way I could get the mic shocked them. You see? The mic shocked them. And I was so grabbish to grab the mic. I don't care because I want it. Could I do a little more? And so I get too big forward in Gemini Club. You see? So the music is something what you have to tell yourself, say, you're not giving up. You're not giving up.
And as I said that, do Barry, because truth is that, so whilst you have a number, so as I said, the struggles and the challenges were there, because whilst you have a number of recorded songs, the truth is that Barry don't have that one song that would say it's a hit song.
Yeah, not a hit song. But my work most of the time was
in the dance hall.
Was in the dance hall, in the zone, you know, DJ on the zone, and as I say, a pace setter. So I have to call myself a pace setter because I remember when I go to a big dance up in St. Thomas and in Colonel Cove, and the promoter come and look for me and say, listen, I want you back on my session because the amount of liquor I sell in space of your time to 1 o'clock. He have to keep it back. And then we'd have Ninja Man come back on that session and Junior Reid on that session and many more artists.
Yeah.
So you have to say, when I go to some session sometime, even the promoter himself hide and put me at $300. A promoter hide and give me something.
Separate from where Scorpio
Separate from what Scorpio give me. Because they realize that I know. I don't know, sometimes I just DJ till water run. I mean, you work. So when they come sometime, they say, wait, what? Is who passed by back? At time you have, like, Lady G was coming with General Cheese and Sugar Shine, you know? And then afterward, now you find culturally, because he mainly can tune the sound good. And he can sing to, you know, but he can mainly tune the sound to what Scorpio wants.
So culturally, was a selector around there?
No, you have selector there, but like that is true there, but culturally he can tune the sound and he can mix.
And when I said that is true, I mean that is true.
Original that is true from Black Scorpio.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So but culturally now, he can mix. He and Colachin can mix. And Colachin can DJ too.
Okay.
You know? But I was just determined that making lyrics.
Yeah.
Making lyrics. So sometimes I have many lyrics. So now it's so easy now. You can go on a show now.
Correct it.
And just do a 10 song and come off the show.
Hold it there, so now. 1986. Harry J. Music Tonight.
Well, Harry J now, I have to find more place Vice now. So I go to Harry J and was at Harry J selecting artists too. Because
the audition?
Yes, he was want me to help him with the audition with the youths them. But Harry J is a man, he don't really love deeper clean tune them, you know.
I love a slap tune them.
Yeah, so you find Ugly Man up there and you find Tiger pass through one time and do the song name Puppy Love. I know when all those songs are doing, you know.
A record.
Yes, and then the first time I see the Pliers is up there too, you know. So I use such a them to say, listen, Pliers, if Scorpio ever hear you see, he gonna take you. Then you find Wicked General and Mega Bantan. So he's just click of free, you know, with them among Scorpio, you know. I'm not leaving out even Carter Rankin.
Carter Rankin.
Carter, his name is Carter. Carter Rankin.
Oh,
he changed his name now.
He
changed his name now to some warrior.
Okay,
you know? Because when you change your name, you know, in a music, and you don't hit the place.
Nobody don't remember.
Nobody don't remember.
That still.
You know? Nobody don't remember. But I don't plan to change my name.
No bother with that.
No, change what?
Yeah. Would you say that Music Tonight is probably the song that probably got the most love for Barry back in the streets back then?
I think Horseman Attack.
Horseman Attack.
Because Music Tonight was like the rhythm sound like Barrington Levy was sang them.
Broadway.
I'm broader than Broadway. Yes, I'm broad. So it's on the YouTube right now, and if you check out Barrington Levy song, it is that song. But when I hear Shelly Thunder from foreign, she was an arse lady too, Shelly Thunder. So when she called me and say, "Buy back," how much that tune is in Jamaica? Because it's on a LP with more people than you have Echo Minot, I think Early B, and I'm certain about Early. I'm not certain about Early B. Certain Early B was on it also. I don't want to make a mistake and say King Elmo Man was on it, but it was a LP.
Yeah.
You see? But that song, me get a lot of recognition out the road. There's only two some Music Tonight now. When Scorpio they did fly out and that leave on a chart like in Jamaica, like a playlist. Leave on a playlist. So people get to hear me saying Music Tonight. See? But Gig Girl Money now, it was a song where a lot of mouth long up of that song. Because people say I'm spoiling the girls.
Run a couple lines out of Gig Girl Money, man.
I wonder if I can remember it. Give girl money, you figure girl money. Give girl money, you figure girl money. You have some little youth in the country. I use the girls, them not give them money. Give girl money, you figure girl money.
Yes, that rock.
So those
Okay.
songs, the amount of time that a song we're gone so long.
Yeah.
I don't.
Ask man attack. Give me a couple lines out of it, man.
Ask man attack on Ketsi, ask man attack, no look back. Ask man attack on Ketsi, ask man attack. The general cheese can top. King Yellow Man, dip on the top. Hurley B, dip on the top. No catch barrel boom from round at the back. Attack them one, attack them two, attack them three and four. Attack them five, attack them six, attack them seven. Here tell me say me flash hard, me says things straight. Yes, the barrel back me not no damn pirate car. Ask man attack on Ketsi, ask man attack. Remember, you know, teach them. Some of those tunes, they are there. But if somebody give me, I might to DJ the song again. You see? I don't think I can remember them. Because the amount of bad song we may have now.
Yeah.
You see? I don't really penetrate and I can tell you a little punch of the song.
No, man, I understand how you think, man. Speaking about the collaboration with General Trees and Everton Blender, Mr. Want It All, in terms of profile, a big collaboration, but you also have a collaboration Half
pint also, you know. But I think the one that go very, very far is...
But the youth them dependent.
Yeah, we the youth them dependent, yeah. But half pint, song bad, but Everton Blender General Cheese, it's still getting play now on the Facebook up there. Still getting play up there. I'm certain. If you're going to say Cheese have a bad song now, a bad song is it them play now up there on the Facebook. You know?
Yes. Yeah, so we could just start about the collaboration. You have a collaboration with Vicious Irie. That's a bad out the road.
Well, I do some song I know, but I remember a song when we do with
Don't Open It featuring Junior Ranks.
Junior Ranks. And I see it the other day, and I was so frightened. 6,000 I had from the YouTube. And if I tell you this studio, I advise it. If I tell you this studio, wait Vice right now, I can't tell you.
Oh, you don't know which part the Vice?
No, don't know it Vice. I don't buck it up on the YouTube. I couldn't tell you. I don't even know what Vice it for. The way the time was so long in the music and we was going on up and down, you know. Because half the time we were sparring with like even Virgoman and Derek Parker. Okay. A lot of artists friends happening. A lot of artists and me and them link.
Why you look so featuring Ninja Ford?
Yeah, Ninja Ford, yes. Or Babylon Faith Vexo. You know. But that song now done by up a Mikey Murdy studio.
Oh, Mikey Murdy.
That's where the song they do it, and with Mikey Melody, it was controlled in those studio. But the music such in a way where you have to understand that you have to keep going. You have to keep going in the music, and then it will come. But now I'm ready for the world.
Before we're ready for the world, Barrington King, that's the government name.
My right name.
Barry Back, how the name they come?
Well, when we was working down by the truck, me and Sassafras, true, I was just so interested in that work. You have to, we'd have a man there, you cannot joke with the work, because he would just call the boss and say such and such and such. So they'd have a cylinder buckle. A cylinder buckle, and I lift that cylinder buckle, and my back was hurting me, and everybody start calling me this Barry Back. You know, so that name come about, Barry Back.
Barry Back.
Yeah.
So Barry Back, so you know. And Barry, cause as I said, you did collaborations, you did songs back then, but none of the songs never really and truly hit like that. You never get discouraged and disheartened and feel like you want to give up?
No, I was mad. Because although I did Scorpio sound, if I go another sound on DJ, the respect is there. You know? Because they're using the brand name. Even till now, it is so hard for me now, because most of the time now, if I go to some show and then the big artists are not there, they are trying to use me to close the show them. You know? And sometimes the artists that work before me, they are weak. So sometimes I'm glad to close it, but sometimes I'm not glad, because sometimes the people walk away. The time I'm ready for work, sometimes people walk away. But every time I close a show, there is a bomb shot. You know? Because they know I know what I'm doing as a veteran. They know what I'm doing. So people always giving me the respect till now. I have it same way because now more tunes are there now where people is coming on to me now.
Yeah, man. So, despite the struggles, the man never give up on the music. Still I put in the work down the years.
Yeah, man. Still I put in the work, man. Still I put in the work because I've tune now where you remember the nigga really were 3 years on?
I want to go to Negril.
Yeah, you know. Big bad tune now that's come on it, you know.
Gonna Negril, me say we gonna Negril.
So-
Yeah.
so me
Which
say-
tune you have on it?
If you love the sense of me now, pam, 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 make me sit down, pam, pam, pam. Put some food in your belly button before you smoke this a one, pam, pam, pam. If you love the sense of me now, make me sit down. Me say me feel so good, but the sense of me now, when me a ram the session, man a herbalist, herb calm me nerve for this, the herb. But let me tell you something, the hit song is Baby Them.
Baby them a bad song, you know, especially Sound Clash
yeah,
tune.
from out here. So Radigan,
Caveman tune?
Yeah, Caveman tune. So Radigan is playing all that tune, you know. And they we have sung for him, Real Pretender. They have the heart for come back round. But the one that get people so so laugh if I in Jamaica is Island Powder. Island Powder. So,
Yeah, man.
yeah.
Baby them. Give a piece of that tune.
Baby them a baby them. When it come to music business, them a baby them. Put on nappy and pampers on some of them. Baby them a baby them. When it come to music business, them a baby them. On a busy class morning when the champion ride in town, I hear they want to disrespect, but they gonna get you down. The champion tell the whole of them, a crown is just a crown. And anyone try to disrespect, they gonna get you down. They gonna get you down. Cause them a baby them a baby them. When it come to music business, them a baby them. We've been killing some sound from 1901, from True Bombs and the Delco them, Boston Fainter Selector, I defend the fans them, all the record changer and the dub them, then dash the whole of them in the gully, cause them a baby them a baby them. Yeah man, give thanks sir. Baby them Dr. Caveman, you know.
For Caveman, you also do Just Shine His Light.
Just Shine His Light. So I do a package of tune out here because when I come out into Caveman, I come here to a brother send me with a tune name, Askman Attack, to make Caveman find out if the song is bad. But when I come here to the song, he never have on the bass on it. I was saying, I have a brand new song there out there. He never say, me have a brand new song there out there. So when I connect it now, it was that song was so interested. And the people they just love that song so much, you know. So true music's that thing you have to just keep on doing songs like Root for the Youth and those songs.
Yeah, Road for the Youth. That was on an album or is a single?
That's that single also. That's that single.
So is it on an album any at all or an EP?
Yes, it's on an album for Sherman.
Sherman. When it's a Sherman, Sherman Clutcher you attack?
Yeah, Sherman Clutcher. He's Sherman Clutcher, yeah. So he have it on an album about 17 tunes.
And all of the songs are your album or is just a compilation?
17.
So it's your album?
My album. So it named Root for the Youth. Yeah, it named Root for the Youth. You know?
You release an album called Herbalist or EP?
I do a tune named Herbalist out here, but it's on the album also.
The Root for the Youth album?
Yeah, on the album also. And Baby Them on it also. On it also. But some of these last songs now, the album.
Island Powder, you talk about Island Powder.
Island Powder now, it's a song where what I go to, Bunny Lee studio, that song Vice. You know, Bunny Lee Vice that song. Because I come here so Vice Root for the Youth and they said with him. And then, you know, never feel the vibes.
Right.
And go back up there and Vice, the Island Powder. And it was so outstanding, you know. So people kind of love the song, most of those songs, you know. Yeah, you know. So you have to say now, I reach to a point now where people are seeing me more, cause you know
More
you have,
visibly, you know.
you have more changes to because you have the Facebook
Social
now,
media.
the social media. You have the DJ Johnson who's doing the pushing. Betty Love is doing the pushing up there. Juggan is doing the pushing. Gwen is doing the pushing. DJ Grace is doing the pushing. You know, DJ Taros and a lot of them up there are doing the pushing.
Yeah, man. So Island Powder is a tune where it look like you feel a vibe off her.
Yeah, every show, every stage show, and that is getting a big forward, you know. 'Cause the people in the world now, I think some of them, I think if you think you're surviving and they are not surviving, I think they call for Island Powder. An artist now is so they have the ring pan finger, we are guide them, they are ring for this, ring for that.
Ring.
Yeah, but remember, Island Powder master everything I already heard and say that already. You know, people from overseas call and say, bad song, Barry, bad song. Yes.
For the people who want to get in touch with you for bookings and dub plate, Zane, shows and dub plate, how them find you?
You can find Caveman, you find me. You can find Jack Scorpio, you find me. You can check DJ Johnson, you find me. A lot of people, you can come Glenn Goff. Glenn Goff's name is big on social media, because everybody knows.
And Caveman number 876-774-5217. I think I see it on the wall.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so, and everybody can find Caveman, so I have to give them a number. You understand what I say?
But he's so big on the social media.
Yeah. What your number? So
my number is 843-8324. You can find Barry Buck on Instagram. You can find Barry Buck on YouTube. Did I pronounce that one right?
It's Instagram.
It's Instagram. And you can find Barry Buck on Facebook. You see? So
run back your number.
843-8324. Yeah. That's 876-843-8324. And as you say, I could big up some of my people them.
Hold on.
You know?
Wait for the big up. You did a collaboration with Yellow Man. I know you do it, I can't find it. Was that song released?
It was Police. No, me and Yellow Man do a combination. I remember that
Who you
song.
do it for?
Scorpio. But I don't even. The most of tune I do, and then those time, maybe there was tune was on some album or something, but
okay,
I tell you the truth, I don't remember.
How are things republishing and royalties with the songs that you have recorded, Barry? Are you receiving any kickback from them works?
Well, from 2011, they are giving me a push around. So we are working on it. We join jams and all them something now.
So you try to sort it out?
We are trying to sort it out. But we soon sort it out. But my something can almost turn over to my son.
Okay.
The legacy. You know?
Okay.
So he's working.
On it?
He's working, you know, my son.
Yes.
But otherwise, some that I have to give thanks to all the people, because I can tell you that I'm not like they said Barry Buck. I'm Barry Buck now. So it come like I'm back.
Barry is back.
As my friend, in him, if I'm done by the jamming song that they radio, if anybody touch me from my hand, I would have
Super Black.
Super Black, say anything this Barry Buck, so sorry back. So I have to mention even that guy name. Me mean say, as I'm saying to you, the way I'm doing work now, the amount of love that I'm getting, you see, I'm getting. I could never fall back.
Barry is back.
Barry is back. Because if I ever hear your song play on IRFM, you'll be getting it.
Yeah, watch your Barry.
Yeah.
Looking at your musical journey still, Zane, what is that thing when you look at it? You give you a sense of pride. You feel proud of that. It's a good memory.
Yes, man. Yes, I feel a good memory, and where I really feel good, even Scorpio is giving me a lot of respect, and And then Caveman been saying, Barry, take it to a different level. You're going good. Scorpio is saying it too. You know, some people might say, you're always calling Scorpio name. I have to call Scorpio name. And I have to call Caveman name. I have to call Cashflow name, DJ Neil them name, because they were the people who see the talent, you know, before find myself overseas, you know. Because most of the people I'm finding from overseas, I don't even know them yet. They might send things from me, going to a stage show. They might send a rental or they send the video man. So they are doing some powerful job on the social media for me. So that's why sometimes I have to call them name, because it's not, some people you see and say, you come and teach them something.
Yeah, but you can't call everybody there, Barry. Right?
Yeah, so I'm doing them, I'm not doing them little by little. Some of them don't call my name. You see? So I have to give thanks, as I'm saying to you, joyful to see the people who respect me, how many people respect me. Because now I'm the root for the youth.
The root for the youth?
Yeah, the root.
Barry, but you see, our thing is the history.
Yes, I know.
You understand?
I know, yeah.
Looking at your journey, when you look back at it, when you reflect, what would you do differently to get the chance to redo the musical journey?
Voicing more tune and promotion. Promotion. You need a promoter who can help you promote the thing. Manager. Management. Because it's not like one time now. People, if you have tune to play now, it is like a purpose to you now. You have to have funds. You have to have funds. If you do not have funds, it's difficult to teach them. Yeah. If you don't have funds,
so me here.
It's difficult, you know? So you have to just give thanks to what you're doing, said we, and say, yes, you reach to a part where you know you find a way. And maybe if it wasn't the social media, you would down, said we.
But Barry, it sounds like, you know, financially, you know, the musical journey, but Barry, not really make no whole lot of money. How have you been able to survive down the years, though?
Well, sometimes, you know, you might go on a little work, you know, and do a little work and it go back in the music. Because music, I love. If somebody giving me a work to do, and I can get a work, and somebody call me about some music,
you're gone.
I gone. You see? I gone. Because it just said that money that blow back said way.
Yeah.
You know? So the music is a part of me. So if you want to stop me from the music, I might be sick or something wrong with me. But it's music I love. Yeah. If I find myself in a church and music, same way.
Is there anybody who is active now that you don't mind do a song with?
I tell you, Bounty Killer then. You know? And you know, if Ninja was here, you know. But Bounty Killer, I listen how he do songs. And now go come, I respect him. You know, I respect him. You know? No matter what's going on, I still love Bounty Killer, because some youth, I see some youth boast and talk about him. So, and when you see me, he say, well, Barry, you don't
show you the love and respect.
You show me the love and respect, you know? So,
make him know say you want to do a tune, man.
Well, Bounty Killer, you know, say, Barry back wait a long time. See? But anything or anything. But any artist come across where we want to do a combination with Barry back. I do have no issue with it. But I'm saying, when I'm punching a tune, I punch it like Bounty Killer. Because the first couple words in the song is that carry the song. That catch the song them. I'm listening to some youth and I really help them too. Because it's nothing to help youths.
Right.
Because it was culturally
show you the way.
Show me the way. So nothing to no one Sassafras show me the way. So nothing to show the youths them. Because Sassafras let me know is not DJ, it's sing. Sing J.
Yeah.
You know?
As I say, you, so many children?
2 boys and 1 girl.
Big people, them, I know? Yeah,
big people. One is about 23, that is the last daughter. And the big one is about 40 now, and the son is, you know, 30 hard.
Okay. A long time you chop grass, Barry, man.
Yeah.
Was that King married?
No.
What do you mean? No, Barry.
Listen. All right, I'm gonna make you understand something.
Yeah.
These girls now, not you see about one. They
don't be give them money for a long time,
yeah,
man.
but they still want money.
They want still. But now you started there, you girl money.
They want money.
They want money.
And the business just now where they still are for you. So sometimes them rather get fed up more of me.
Okay,
You
see?
Because sometimes you might go to some big session and come back in this white pants, white out. And sometimes nothing don't go on. Nothing don't go on. The mouth tall.
Barry, you're still in the studio, still do the work.
Yeah.
Still have a passion for it. Mr. Said the drive is still there, still loving it. And it's a caveman at the base.
Yeah, Caveman is the base. Caveman.
And social media, your place.
Yes, you know, and then Betty Love and DJ Johnson, they are the pusher of from overseas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't give that because I realize your people there, I pressure your father.
You know?
Yeah. So, despite the fact that the man not get the success, recording success that he then love, you understand? You build a name for yourself in the sound system space because when we say Black Scorpio, Zane, Barry Bat name, have to come up, you know. You understand? We know we are going to say, people are going to say General Trees and Sassafras and Shuka Shine.
Mikey Melody.
Melody, but Barry Bat name, have to call on the thing to cause you pay your dues around this, brother. You understand? And go and do the work, you see me? And I trust that the success that you are seeking, you know, you will accomplish that. And Barry Back songs, because I see some things on, I think, Apple Music. Are you get the revenue from them things, sir?
Yeah, we are working on it. We are working
and everything we are forward now, people can find on the digital play store them.
Yeah.
Not just rather, I'm telling you on Facebook and on YouTube. If I YouTube, if you have a Viva channel, fine.
Yeah.
But Spotify, Apple Music, Pandora, them place there, you're going to make some money. So get the music them, pan them place there, brother.
Because Betty Love are them. Betty Love them now. They are doing those.
Them are doing them things for you.
They are doing them things for me, you know. So we have to give thanks. I mean, not leaving out some of the people them said there because you know I have to call them names.
Call it there, Barry. Call it there.
I have to call Sugar Wayne Rockers Radio. I have to call Wayne Reimer and Betty Love. I have to big up a girl up there named Grace. Hilton, you see, Dragon Highway, all those people up there, and Lady Diana from Portmore, Cutie, the first somebody ever put my name on a Facebook. I got back this again, yes. So we have to talk about the people them who help me so much. But Caveman now is the main somebody who we are part of govern the thing.
A good answer, you know?
So I have to give thanks for you teach them. I have to give thanks for Miss
Keisha.
Miss Keisha. Why she look like a preacher.
Keita.
So big up yourself, you know.
Brother, give thanks to the Father Barry. I say you pay your dues, you help pave the way for some of the man them forward through the thing. You understand? You'd have been there when rubber dub dancehall music was at its peak. I rub shoulder with some of the greats. You understand? And the man has made his contribution to the thing. You understand? Keep on doing the thing and get the business part of the thing together. So, you know the thing go. I pension that, brother.
Man, I will. Yeah, man. Give thanks, man. Every time. Glad for having me. Yes, sir?
Yeah, man. Yeah. You have anybody else you want to big up, sir?
Yeah, man. Gweng. Lord, gweng. Lord, I can't talk to you. If you not call his name. And big up Justice and Special Operation. You know, big up my family. You know, at all times, you know. I have to big one up said because you never run away, Mary. You never run away. So give thanks, you know. And if I name my call now, remember me beg you. You know, bother with me.
Call everybody name.
Right. Thank you very much, teach them.
It's a joy, man.
Yeah.
Mad day.